You got it. Yay! Turn it on. Did you put enough water in there? So we got 2 water fountains now.
Yeah.
How come the water is not flowing out?
It's filling. It was bone dry.
Uh-oh.
I can make the speed higher.
Oh, here it comes.
Yeah. There you go. It's slow speed. It's fine. It's good off go.
Okay. You turn on po. Mabagal ang tubig. I think it's better if it's faster.
No, there you go.
Okay. Ayan, super relaxing yan. May binili si Paul na lunch, guys. Para sa akin. Tingnan natin. Pumunta siya sa Spanish na restaurant. Nag-take out siya. Oh, look at that! Fried yuca, rice, at saka ay guys. Lapit kayo. Oh, tadang! Beef, guys. Beef, tsaka shrimp na may sabaw, at saka madaming onions, at cilantro. Ayan siya, guys. Ito ang aking lunch. Saka ito naman yung Spanish yuca. Parang kasaba sa atin, pero fried siya. Very common, very popular sa Spanish. Fried yuca at saka itong rice. Kain tayo. Dito ako sa table. May lemons din, guys. Ang lime pala. Ayan. So, ayan. Dito tayo. Sarap nito. Tapos kanina nagkulay ako ng ating kuko, guys. Tapos na rin ako naligo. It's lunchtime na. That's it, guys. Nagugutom ako. Masarap ang onions nila, guys. Palagi ito in-order ni Paul sa akin eh. Super crunchy. Iyan ang fried yuca nila. Matabang lang siya. Pwede isaw-saw dito sa sauce. Good, guys. Tikman natin ang shrimp. Lagyan natin ng sauce. Sarap. So good, guys. Malaking hiwa tong beef nila, guys eh. Ito yata ang version nila sa Venezuelan ba to? Parang ito yung version nila sa Cuban steak. It's well done din, guys. Tapos mahaba siya. Hindi ko lang siya mapakita. Hindi siya, kasi nasa ilalim siya ng onions. Madami kasing onions na binigay. Mas malasa ang steak nila kaysa nun sa Cuban. Mas masarap to.
Siguro depende kung gaano katagal na minamarinate yung karne. Tapos yung sauce niya ay parang soy sauce saka vinegar lang. Tapos nilagyan ng sugar. Excuse me. May kamatis. Sarap ba? Medyo maasim yung sauce.
I heard a dog barking. Is this a dog park? That's a big dog over there. Let's go to the water, honey. You say, I want to see the water view. The water. Madilim. Check namin ang dog park na to kasi dito namin dadalhin si Muttley. Pag nandito na siya, masyadong malamig guys, medyo chilly. Kaya naka long sleeve ako. Ang ganda ng park na to. No? May playground dyan. Tapos may tubigan dito. Wala lang walang mga water activity. Maganda sana kung meron yung dock ba na parang boat nakalutang sa tubig. Department connection. What does it mean? Pero ang ganda, ganda guys. Department connection daw. Ang daming plants dyan sa ilalim ng tubig. Walang isda. You see any fish? Oh, it's so big. This is like a bay. A bay? This is like what, honey? A lake? Yan,
Yeah, the lake.
may lake and dog park na to. That's it. So, where else can we take the dog?
Park is over here.
Ah, okay, there's more. There's more over
That's the
there.
dog park.
Ah, okay. Oh, I see some dogs playing over there. May fences siya. So, very safe. Very safe ang place na to. Doggy deli. So, they can also buy something in that store. Parang may tindahan. I heard so many dogs barking.
It's busted dog.
And, huh?
Step in it.
Step, a dog poop?
Yeah.
I see some dogs playing.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
walking.
they also have a water park. Let's walk around. In Coral Springs. I like the water view over there, and it's nice. So how do you go in?
Up here.
They have like a gate that you have to go through. Are we allowed to go in even if we don't have a dog? Don't forget to scoop the poop. Oh, be careful, honey.
Close the gate.
I'm gonna close the gate.
Oh, why? I tripped on.
Oh, you step on something that's like a nylon. Hold on. I'm gonna help you. What is this?
It's like fishing.
Fishing rod. This is not good for the dog.
Let it
Where
go.
does it come from?
Here.
Put it over there. Watch.
Yeah, okay.
That's not good for the dog. Look, it's your name, honey. Dr. Paul's Dog Park. There's a coyote, honey. There's coyote here. Coyote may live here and maybe seeing you around.
Yeah, nighttime. They're not
Oh.
going to be out during the day.
Oh, but somebody's coming. Oh, there's water. Oh, look at this. Can they drink the water here, honey?
I don't know about drinking it, but it's
Look, they have like bowls where they can drink water.
You wouldn't want to share that.
Bark Park rules. All dogs have current rabies and other. All dogs must have current rabies and other vaccines. Okay. Dapat may vaccine. Dapat walang unattended dogs. No female dogs in heat. All unneutered males must be closed and supervised. No sick
no
dogs. No
puppies.
puppies under 4 months of
Wow.
age. No puppies under 4 months of age. We cannot take Muttley here. Bawal daw pag under 4 months age. Magto 2 months pa lang si Muttley. Muttley is 2 months and a half. No,
Yeah, it's a couple months.
no people food, no glass containers, no spike. They have so many rules.
Yeah.
They have so many rules.
Let's walk
It's kind of
around.
strict. Oh, look at that dog, so big. We cannot. These are for the big dogs, honey.
Yeah, we're gonna walk around. Come on.
May malaking aso doon. Nakakatakot. It's kind of scary, honey. Look how big that dog is. Is that Dr. Paul? Pampano Pet Lodge. Oh, look. There's a pet lodge, honey. Oh, look. There's a ball. Muttley can't play this ball. It's a small ball. Oh, be careful.
Don't go in there.
We're not going in there. Look at the dogs over there, guys. They're playing. Those are for the big dogs, that side. And this is for the small dogs.
Hardly any dogs in there.
Yeah, nobody's here. No dogs.
We got the fence over there, so you can't go through the bushes.
Okay, yeah, it's fence. It's safe. And we can park on that side over
Let's
there.
go out there.
Let's go that way.
You wouldn't even have to go in there at all.
I know. Because you know what? The small puppy encountered the big dogs. So gated siya, which is good. Ayan, so all we have to do is go through to this side. Doon kami nag-park, guys. Kaya dumaan kami sa park ng malalaking dogs. But actually, we can park on this side. Mas more accessible siya sa small dog park. It's nice. There's trees and birds. And there's like playground. Not Honey, say hi. Order, bili kami ng ano, guys. Milk tea, boba, milk tea. Another dog park. So many dogs here, guys. They have like something going on. And for the large dogs, it's on that side.
Bigger than 25 minutes.
But they go on that side.
With that dog right there in the middle, I don't think he's more.
But I think it's a baby. We can take Muttley over there. Look, so many dogs. Look at the Chihuahua is so tiny. Dami, guys. Ang daming aso. Aso. Yes, aso. We have like a pool here. I think dogs can drink. This is kind of like similar to the other dog park we went to a while ago. But this place is so close to our house. It's only like probably 5 minutes drive. Malamig, nilalamig ako guys. Tapos uminom ako ng milk tea na malamig. Nanginginig ako.
That's good. This is
fun.
how we found out.
Yeah. So now we know that we have a park for small and big. I think it should be like that, honey, because you cannot mix the small dog with the big dog.
Some of them dogs look kind of big. Like that one.
Oh,
right
that
there.
one.
Yeah.
I don't think so. He belongs to the big dog, honey. No, that's medium. He's not small. That's medium. Okay, bye dog park. Oh God. Wait na kami. Yun na guys. At least naka-check tayo ng 2 dog parks. Akala namin itong park na to, iisa lang. Walang, hindi sineseparate ang small and big dogs. Meron din pala silang section for small dogs and section for the large dogs, which is really good. Natatakot kasi kami kasi si Muttley. But they have no rules, no? We didn't see any rules that we cannot take a dog that's less than 4 months old. Doesn't say something. So we can take our dog.
I believe.
As long as he got the second shot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, uwi na kami sa bahay. I'm cold.